Assalamu alaikum everyone, Samir is the reaction back with another reaction with Angelina Jordan. Yo lovers, this second like a reaction when she do it in a train station. She's singing like other song, and I have no idea which song she was singing here about other song. So my name is Samir from Algeria, North Africa, between Morocco and Tunisia. Do reaction music video, and you can smash a button, subscribe to notification, and follow me in Instagram, TikTok. That's all you need to do. Me so much to if you do that. And I will write something in a comment and read it, and like if you want read it, and maybe you can help, maybe not, or you can help me with comment, nice comment, beautiful comment, amazing comment, who encourage me, like make me be continue make a reaction, because I was like have tough days and like months and 2 months and 3 months, and you can just read the comment, maybe you can help me with anything. You give me so much to me. And let's start right now with 3 2 1. It's coming right now. Let's start. Let's go. Okay, everything okay, everything okay.
Can you play the song?
Dude,
Okay.
oh,
Yes.
I know this song.
Oh, you want to sing? Okay.
Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk.
Oh, her voice. Everybody.
And everybody is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. You're like a dream come true. You look like a movie.
You look like a star. Oh my God.
God, this reminds me of where we were. Let me photograph you with
Look at skin.
in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized
Wow.
we were sad, getting old, it made us restless. It was just like a movie.
She looked at her. She's
It
shocked.
was just like a song when we were young.
Wow. Wow, man.
Nice. Thank you.
She do it, you know. She do it. Wow. This song about other. I know the song, and oh my God. Make me be like, see Angelina Jordan be like every day, every month, every year, and she be have this voice, a strong voice, and she amazing who she is and for who she is, and she amazing lovers like fans. She amazing. I support Angelina Jordan any like all the time. She amazing, and I love what she doing, what she's saying, and everything. She like have this huge voice, and I can't stop myself to listen to Angelina Jordan because I'm a huge fan. So from Algeria, North Africa, between Morocco and Tunisia, do reaction music video, and you can smash a button, subscribe to notification on for me in Instagram, TikTok, and read the comment in description. I make it there, and maybe you can help with anything you give. Means so much to me, and thank you so much for being here, and see you in next video inshallah. Peace, love. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you so much.